Health officials warning parents about a confirmed case of whooping cough at Grant High School here in Portland. Now, whooping cough causes severe, violent coughing. It can spread easily in groups. The Multnomah County Health Department says there have been 60 cases so far this year, and they're on track to double their case count compared to last year. Health officials recommend getting your immunizations up to date.
Whooping cough is considered pretty contagious, and we know that kids spread infections in schools. The vaccine is pretty good. It's the best way, certainly, to protect yourself against whooping cough. It is not perfect, so even being fully vaccinated means that you can still get sick with the cough.
Babies are most at risk. If your coughing symptoms are getting worse, don't go to school until you see a doctor.